Where is Sealy Mattress manufactured? If you're considering a new mattress and wondering where Sealy mattresses are made, you're about to get some clear answers. Let's break it down step by step. Sealy is one of the oldest and most recognized mattress brands, with a history dating back to 1881. Over the years, the company has expanded its manufacturing operations to meet the demand for its products. Sealy mattresses are manufactured in several locations around the world. In the United States, Sealy has multiple manufacturing facilities. One of the main locations is in Trinity, North Carolina. This facility is significant because it produces a wide range of Sealy mattresses, from budget-friendly options to more luxurious models. Another key location in the U.S. is the facility in Houston, Texas. This plant focuses on producing various Sealy brands, including the popular Posturepedic line, which is known for its support and comfort. In addition to these U.S. locations, Sealy also has international manufacturing sites. For instance, in Canada, Sealy mattresses are made in facilities such as the one in Montreal, Quebec. This ensures that Canadian customers can get Sealy products without the need for long-distance shipping. In Australia, Sealy operates through a local subsidiary, Sealy of Australia, which has its own manufacturing facilities. This allows Sealy to tailor its products to the specific needs and preferences of the Australian market. When it comes to the manufacturing process, Sealy uses a combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. The company is known for its attention to detail and quality control, ensuring that each mattress meets high standards before it reaches the consumer. To give you a better idea, the manufacturing process typically involves several stages. First, the raw materials such as foam, coils, and fabric are sourced and prepared. Then, the components are assembled according to the specific design of the mattress model. Finally, the mattresses are tested for quality and comfort before they are packaged and shipped to retailers. So, if you're looking for a Sealy mattress, you can rest assured that it's made in one of these reputable facilities. Whether in the US, Canada, Australia, or other locations around the world, each mattress is crafted with care and a commitment to providing you with a good night's sleep.